Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna cut this boy's hair. This is the finished result, so follow along and see how it went.
I'm ready to cut my hair.
Okay, buddy. I'm gonna have you sit up there on the sink and I'll start cutting your hair. You look a mess.
Yeah, I look a mess.
You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's good. Mommy.
You got the clipper?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful with it.
Here. Yeah. I fell again.
You fell again. Okie dokie.
Hi.
Say, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you ready?
No.
No, you're not. I'm not either.
I'm
Are you gonna be a good boy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, a man.
Yeah, you're a big boy, ain't you?
Mommy, a man.
You're a man?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a big man, ain't you? Are you a big man?
Yeah.
I know you are.
You a big woman?
Yeah, I'm a big mummy.
You a big woman.
Yeah, I'm a big woman.
Scared.
I know. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Are you scared of this sound that says Okay. You are so cute. Are you so cute? What happened? Oh, I'm sorry. Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh my God.
Wait, no, we're not done yet, baby.
Down.
No, we're not yet. Listen. Kimmy, listen. Listen, stay still so I can be quicker, okay? It's not hurting, is it? It's okay. I'm sorry. You're doing good.
I don't want it. Don't.
You did turn the cold water on, okay? Can you leave it on? Let it go, okay? And you're gonna turn it on again. All right, baby?
No. No. No.
job, boy. You're doing a good job, baby. You're being dramatic, aren't you?
No!
It's okay. Nothing is gonna happen. It's just the sound of the clipper, okay? The clipper doesn't do anything to you because I'm being gentle, okay? It's okay, my love.
It's done.
Almost.
Oh my! No!
It's okay. It's okay. You're doing good. High five. You're doing a great job. You're a big
I'm
man.
done.
You're a big boy, baby.
I'm
Are you a big
done.
man?
I'm done.
Are you a big man?
Yeah, I'm done.
Are you brave?
Yeah, I'm
Yes, you're brave. And we're gonna make you look handsome. We're almost done, okay? I'm doing quick as I can. All right, baby. And you're doing a good job. You're doing incredible, baby. I swear. It's okay, my love. It's okay, my love. Baby, it's okay. It's okay, my love. It's okay, baby. Are you my drama king?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, drama king. All right. Look at that.
Done.
Not done yet. Almost, I promise. Almost. Almost, baby. Almost. You're doing a good job. Look, you're looking handsome already. You see that in the mirror? Who's the handsome boy? Who's the handsome boy? Say, Hakeem. Who's the handsome boy? Who's the handsome boy? Are you gonna say it?
Yeah.
The handsome boy is Hakeem. He's the handsome boy.
A handsome boy.
You are very handsome. I don't care what nobody else says, okay? You're real handsome.
Look.
What you got? You messing up with my stuff? Bro, I don't even know what I'm doing, but we're gonna try.
No.
It's okay, baby.
No.
Did I tell you you're doing a good job?
No.
You are.
I can do that.
You are doing a good job. Oopsie.
I can do that.
You're doing a great job. I'm very proud.
Look.
What's that? You're messing up with my soap holder? Man, you're messing up with my soap holder. Real talk, we're gonna fight. You gonna put it back on there? No, you're gonna play with it? That's okay. You can play with it for now. I don't mind.
Huh?
I don't mind. I don't mind you playing with it.
Mommy, whoa, real.
Baby.
Huh? Well.
Here.
Mommy, whale.
This a whale?
Yeah.
Good. You gonna play with the whale?
Yeah.
Do you like sea creatures?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How many sea creatures do you know?
I got the skaters under.
How many sea creatures do you know? Do you know a fishy?
Yeah.
That's a sea creature. You know a shark?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a sea creature. Do you know a whale?
Yeah.
That's a sea creature. You know a starfish?
Yeah.
That's a sea creature. Do you know a seahorse?
Yeah.
That's a sea creature, baby.
Ow!
Oh, my bad.
you hurting me.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm being gentle as I can be. Okay, can you stay still for me? Okay. Kim, baby, you stay still for me. Cause if you keep moving, we're gonna mess up the haircut. Even though I'm no barber, at least I know you have to stay still so we can get it done and pretty. Okay, buddy.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Okay, I need you to keep your head still, okay? For a minute. Please. Key. What's funny?
It's like mommy, look.
Oh, it sticks? It sticks to the mirror. Interesting. I didn't know that.
I can. Yeah, I've dropped it.
Okay, buddy. Listen, your daddy does your hair usually, and he's not here. And I don't think he's coming back home soon. So I'm gonna try my best to make you look better. It's not gonna be the greatest haircut, but at least you're gonna have a haircut. Okay?
Yeah.
You trust me, don't you? You trust mommy? Kim?
Yeah.
Yeah, you trust me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, look.
Ooh.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, it sticks.
Yeah, I did.
It sticks. Interesting.
Mommy, look at this. Mommy, look at this.
I'm looking, baby.
Mommy,
Ooh.
Mommy, look. I
Okay.
got that.
Stay still for now. Okay, buddy.
Wait, Dad.
Almost. Can you bow your head for me? There you go. Good job. Okay, stay still. Stay still. You're not staying still. Okay, buddy. Can you stay still? Stay still, Kimmy. Alright?
Hold on.
Almost.
I dropped in my back.
Okay, stay still. Stay still, baby. Turn around.
Even the mother jail.
Can you turn around? Yeah, it's not that bad after all.
It's bad. It's bad.
It's not that bad.
Bad.
didn't like it?
Yeah.
It's good.
It's not good.
That will do. I just tried to braid his hair. But
You just my hair?
yeah, I did braid your hair.
I braid your hair on my dress. Ew.
Your middle split is not even, so I had to do a third row. So you got 3 braids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just stick my thumb together. Akim.
Yeah, baby.
My name is Akim.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, my name is a man.
You're a man?
Yeah, you're a woman?
Yeah, you're a man.
I'm a woman.
No, mommy is a woman.
Mommy is a woman?
Yeah, and baby is a man.
No, that is a man.
Yeah, that is a man too. You are a man, that is a man. And I'm a woman, and grandma is a woman. And aunties are women. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys later.
See you guys later.